Hi, this is Brother Jim, and I'm here. This is an introduction, very introduction, very simple. And basically, we're just going to talk a little bit on how we're going to talk about these computer lessons. And basically, they're going to be, 5-minute, 10-minute, 20-minute videos. They seem to be running 20 minutes most of the time. This introductory one should be only a few minutes. And basically, we're going to be talking a little bit about the computer itself, how it's made up, hard drive, and the how files are stored, documents and videos and MP3s, things like that. We're going to look at we're going to actually look at the physical architecture of the computer. Just a little bit, and then we're going to also look at how to look at inside the hard drive itself electronically with your computer, how to tell the difference between programs on your computer as opposed to the internet itself. The internet is huge, it's big, and we will spend some time specifically on the internet and what you can do on the internet. And it's tremendous what God has blessed us with and the tools that He's given us to spread the gospel. Okay, but that is separate from programs and things that you will need, like writing letters or doing your taxes or sending email, just typing things, adding things. Maybe you want to watch a movie from your DVD player on your computer. Maybe you want to study the Bible on your computer. Maybe you want to read a book on your computer. There's many different functions you can do with the computer. But here we're just going to show some real basic stuff. We're not going to get into it hardly at all. Again, we are going to spend time in different videos on different subjects. So you can go over these videos again if something doesn't make sense. If after several times there something still doesn't make sense, you can send me an email, and my email is lampoilcan@yahoo.com. That's LAMPOILCAN @yahoo.com. Or you can get a hold of me in church or connect with me. Ask me, give me a question, and I'll see if I can answer that specific question for you and clarify it for you. But pretty much these videos should do it. In most cases, I'm trying to make it simple as possible, but I am giving you a lot of information, so bear with me. Sometimes it may seem like I'm going too fast. I can't tell how your mind is receiving it. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, but also cover some ground with each video. So please bear with me. Go over it again if you need to, etc., etc. Now, this blue thing that you see is called the desktop on the computer. And over here is this is a Windows 8 operating system. And this is the old style desktop back in Windows 7. Windows XP had this desktop, but they are now moving towards this other desktop, and you see me hitting this little thing here. Boom, that changes to the new desktop, and as you can see, I place my mouse over here, I left click and I pull, and I can slide that bar, and all my programs this way is done. And they're trying to do these little tiles, and each one of those icons is like a program or access to something else. Like here you can go to Skype, which is like a telephone on the internet visual, where you can actually see the person you're talking to. Here's Netflix, where you can go and watch movies. eBay is where you can buy stuff. Google Chrome is a browser. We'll talk about that. Kindle is a place where you can read books, and it looks like I can't read that, so we'll come back. I think I have to reinstall it. Okay, but again, if you need to, see how I go up to the top here, okay, and these little buttons come out. All right, these settings here see, right here's my power, and if I wanted to turn the computer off, I could restart the computer, shut down, or sleep. Shut down actually turns it off. Restart will turn it on and then reboot it again. Here's where my internet is, and see right here. Now let me go back. Okay, see how this is where my networks are, these little bars. Okay, you click on that and it has all the different internet, it's picking up, it's scanning all the different internet signals from different people's houses, and each one of these is, you have to type in a password to get there. Well, this is mine, and that's how I get that. But so that's how you get, so if you need to connect to your internet, I don't want to disconnect it, because then I won't be able to, I'll lose you on the video here. Okay, so here I can adjust my brightness, I can adjust the sound, you know, you can go to change PC settings. Okay, I mean, there's a lot. See, look at all this stuff, accounts. You'll have to play around with that and see PC and devices. I don't want to get too much into this because I might lose you, and I don't from the video. But here we are back at the desktop again. Okay, all right. So here's the date and the time there. You see that? You can adjust the date and time. If you want to change the date and time, you just click here and change it. I'm not going to do it because it's there, but that's where you do it. This will tell you how much is your charge on your battery. And these are other icons that are there. That right there is ABG is an antivirus. And notice how it says free edition. You do not necessarily have to buy a virus protection on your computer that costs money. You can download it for free and it doesn't cost you, and that's what I use. Okay, in speakers I can control the sound level. If I turn this up, you're going to hear me louder, and you don't want to do that. Okay, this has different things. That's a browser there. That's an Internet Explorer. That's a file explorer that allows me to look at my hard drive, and we're not going to get, these are other buttons. These are files that are open. See, all right, and we will get into that later. But right now I'm just showing you, and these are all different icons and programs that are on the internet. All right, so hopefully that helped you. I thank you very much, and start with the next video, which is called Computer Basics. We'll get a much more in-depth on the computer itself, the desktop, the icons, the programs, and just touching on the internet. Then the next thing we'll do is we'll get into the internet a little bit more. All right? Thank you very much. God bless. Have a great day.